Hello everyone, I Harmeet welcome you all on WsCube Tech channel. So in today's video, we're going to talk about upload defaults. Whenever I talk about that you have to maintain the consistency on YouTube, you have to keep creating the content and that is really necessary. So it means that you have to create content and you have to upload it frequently. So every time you upload a video, you have to write a title, you have to write the description, right? So it is not possible that for all the videos, for each and every videos, every time you write the description, right, or you do the same settings again and again, it would be really time consuming. So to avoid this mess or this time wastage, we have this option of upload defaults, where we can just fix some word there, where we can fix some portion of our title or some portion of description, and we can just keep fixed settings for each and every video, right? So first of all, let's talk about that from where you can do the settings, right? So here you have to go to this right section. There are some others options also, right? So you have to go to this settings, right? When you will click on this settings, there are multiple options also. So in account section, you have to choose this channel status and features, right? So when we will click it, right, a separate window will open, right? There are some other options also like general, channel, right? You have to go to this third option, that is upload default, right? So this is upload default, right? As you can see that there are some options like basic info and the advanced settings, right? So these settings you can do it once, and every time you'll upload a video, these settings will automatically be applied to that particular video, right? For example, John is my name and I'm posting related to the food vlogs, right? So John's food vlog would be in every title of my videos, right? So I'm gonna just add some, whenever you'll post a video, you can just write down that a trip to India, right, or a trip to Mexico, right? So you can just add few words out there and you can just customize your title when you will post every individual video, right? But you don't have to write these description which are you are going to post in every video, right? Like your Instagram handle, your other social media platform handle, right? Okay, so right now I'm gonna show you some examples of my own channel only, right? Okay, so this is our channel and we have posted multiple videos out there, right? So I'm gonna just open it, any random videos, and I'm gonna show you that what I'm talking about, right? So as you can see, if you notice this description thing, right? So there are some words related to this particular video, right? Like in this video, learn dash and dash dash, right? Whatever is the title of that video, right? But if you notice this particular thing, right? This content is not related to this particular video, but it is related to all the content of my channel or related to my channel, right? As you can see that we have written about live streams, we have written about something about our company, our firm, our channel, and we have also mentioned the links of other social media handles, right? So this is particularly the thing, our contact details. So this is particularly the thing that I'm gonna post with all of my videos, right? So let's take example of other videos also. Okay, so this is one of our video, and as you can see that here is, this is related to the content writing and content marketing. But if you notice this particular description, right, this is same as that particular video, right? Because this is common for all the videos I'm going to post, right? So basically this is what your upload default section do, right? So this is my description, and as you can see that every video I'll post, this will be the description for all of them, right? So I can just change it according to my particular video. All that I have to do is to add that particular title, the title which is related to that particular video. Otherwise all the other things that there are other links of other playlists that I want my audience to see, right? And other are social media handles, right? And all other details related to the channel that I have to put in my description. So I'm just adding here in the upload defaults, and whenever I'll post a video, it will be posted automatically, right? So this is what upload default, and there's how you can change it, right? So now after like description, there's a section of visibility. Okay, whenever you post a video, what should be its visibility? It should be public, right? It could directly be posted, or it can be private and unlist, right? You can change it afterwards. So many of the people, what they do, they upload their video and they post it in this private section or this unlisted section. And then whenever they want to make it live to the public, they want their audience to see that video at that particular time, they made it public, right? So you can just upload your content like for a week, and you can just live it on every day, right? So you can do this. This is a tags option. So I have added some hashtags also. So you can add some hashtags accordingly, and in every video these hashtags will show, right? So you don't have to just add tags individually for each video, right? So okay, so this is our basic info. When we talk about the advanced settings, you can just make these settings, and on every video these settings will apply, right? You can just select the category, the what is the topic of your video, right? Or the video language, in which language your video is. Your caption verification you can just choose from here. Your title and description language you can choose from here. And comment visibility. Comment visibility is basically whether you want to disable comments on this video, or you want to hold all the comments for the review. First you will review them, and then you can make them public, right? That up to you. So whatever you select from here, that will apply for all the videos you will post on future, right? Not the already uploaded video, but this will apply on the all the future video you are going to upload, right? So from here you have to just save this information, and after saving this, whenever you will post a video on the YouTube, these settings, these descriptions, these title will automatically be applied on all the videos. Then you can just customize it, you can just change it according to their particular content, right? So this is all about upload defaults. Do use this section, do use this particular feature of YouTube. This is really necessary and really useful. We do use it many of the times, as I have showed you as an example of our channel, right? So if this video was useful for you, then hit the like button. If there's any suggestion, any comment regarding upload defaults, or if you are having any difficulty in posting your upload defaults, then you can comment down, and do subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.